it seems like when I'm down on my knees. God, I can't really tell if you're listening to me.
Greetings, YouTube. Lion Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. Today is indeed Sunday, March 29th, 2020. And in today's video, we'd like to bring you guys along with us for a day 14 update on the Wildings landing and our fig tree, Mrs. Lori. That's right, YouTube. It's been approximately 14 days since we planted Miss Lori out here in our front yard garden extended grow area. And in this video, we would like to give you guys a quick peek at exactly what has happened with Miss Lori in just the past 14 days. Take a look at this, YouTube. Indeed, YouTube, here we are in our front yard garden extended grow area next to our 3-foot by 6-foot Country Garden planter, Sweet Baby Red. If you recall correctly, we planted our fig tree, Mrs. Lori, slightly adjacent to that planter. And this, YouTube, is what Mrs. Lori looked like when we first planted her here in our front yard garden extended grow area. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what Miss Lori looks like right here, right now, Sunday, March 29th, 2020, in our front yard garden extended grow area. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Yes, indeed. Is Miss Lori loving it here in this spot in our yard, or what? As you can see, that soil down there looks virtually bone dry. It's not quite bone dry, it's slightly moist beneath the surface. But we don't put a lot of water on Mrs. Lori. We know that that's not necessary. Fig trees don't like boggy, wet soil at all. And in this spot here in our front yard garden extended grow area, Miss Lori receives approximately 10.5 hours of full direct sunlight. Isn't she lovely? Hasn't she grown a lot in just the past 2 weeks? We truly could not be more pleased by what we see with the growth progress of Mrs. Lori out here in our front yard garden extended grow area here at the Wildings Landing. And although we haven't erected the sign out here, we've already made a sign for the Wildings Landing with Mrs. Lori's name on it. And Mrs. Lori, this one's for you, my dear friend. This one is indeed for you. You're looking quite lovely out here in our garden. Yeah. Our fig tree, Mrs. Lori, at the Wildings Landing. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you are currently watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumbs Gardening channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Thanks. We really, really, really would appreciate it. Mrs. Lori. Thanks for watching.
it's a need. It's a need.